Woman finds mysterious book in her home.
I clean, but I found this book in the apartment. I took other pictures, but I won't send it because I haven't read it and I don't want anybody to read it. But anybody know what this book is? Good morning. Happy Sunday, everybody. I know the prayer for me. I don't know what kind of cult or witchcraft this is. Hey, read what? Me not read that. Hell no, me not read that. I am half Haitian, but no babes. Me play the gospel. Today's a blessed Sunday. I would like to ask everyone in this group, whoever is attending church, if you're not attending church and you're praying, lift me up in your prayer. Me pa dead, so I don't know what to do. Now me going to read my Bible today that Sunday. Me don't tie that up in a plastic bag and some black salt. No sir, not interested.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
From me find it yesterday, me pray. From I find it yesterday, me pray. No sir, Leave me be at God created the heavens and the earth. And God created Adam and Eve, even though I might not live by it. But yes, nope.